Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel into the Unknown versus Enter Sandman. We'll dive deep into what makes each of these tracks so compelling. We'll explore their unique musical arrangements, from the powerful guitar riffs to the intricate drum patterns. We'll also consider the lyrical depth and how each song resonates with its audience. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of their individual strengths and why both have achieved such widespread acclaim. Excel into the Unknown is renowned for its powerful, almost operatic vocals, often reaching impressive high notes. The song masterfully blends traditional rock instrumentation with rich orchestral arrangements, creating a truly cinematic experience. Its structure often features a gradual build-up, leading to a triumphant and memorable chorus. This track typically runs for about 3 minutes and 45 seconds, delivering a consistent sense of wonder and inspiration throughout its duration. Enter Sandman immediately grabs listeners with its iconic, heavy guitar riff, which is instantly recognizable worldwide. The song's lyrical content delves into the unsettling world of childhood nightmares, creating a dark and atmospheric narrative. Its powerful drums and bass provide a relentless, driving rhythm that underpins the entire track. Typically clocking in at around 5 minutes and 30 seconds, this song delivers a consistent, intense energy that solidified its place as a metal anthem. Deciding which song is better truly depends on what you seek in music. If you prefer an uplifting, expansive, and vocally driven experience with orchestral grandeur, Excel into the Unknown might be your choice. However, if you crave raw, heavy guitar riffs, powerful rhythms, and a darker, more introspective lyrical journey, Enter Sandman will likely resonate more deeply. Both stand as monumental achievements, each offering a distinct and unforgettable musical experience to millions of listeners.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.